Still recording. Hit it. So let's get that music back on. Where's that pick? Missed by dismount. Proving to be very difficult. I've already scraped. But now, sheesh. There's a completely different screw on this side. Someone lost the original or something. And once again, I didn't take the side mirror off. Probably should have. Got two locks. Take the side mirror off first. Oh my god, what the hell? What the heck? It's hard to get off. It's hard to get off, but it feels loose right here. Oh, busted. Fun discovery. The side that wasn't reported in the accident, everything is still here. Full plastic, everything. That's interesting. New hotness. So clean. I just spent a bunch of time wrestling with the rear window trim, and I decided to try to do it without taking the door card off, and I explained all of that and realized I wasn't recording at all. But I'm gonna look at the replacement door trim and see what the backside of it looks like to see where it's hooking, because it's really seems really difficult to get off. It does seem to hook underneath this window right here too, so that's a little extra complicated. It's a double hook situation, like it's really in there. I might as well just try to yank her off. Damn, I just broke the pick. This will take this down. So door card comes off the same way. This piece was really difficult to get off, and I definitely may have made it not resellable. Although, yeah, I just bent it some more. It's a very easy to bend piece. It's similar to the top ones, where if you just yank it too hard and it bends, it's toast. I mean, I have a dimple in the new one from shipping, which is a bummer. So just a note to all of you potentially trying to do this. These backdoor ones are not easy to come off. I just ended up saying F it and pried it. So may have ruined it. That's okay. I don't need to resell them, but I'll still offer them if somebody wants to mess around with trying to refurbish. Now we just clean, get the old busted out, and put the new hotness in. Those little holes are... Dang. Okay, maybe it is super noticeable when both of them are on. Like, that's a huge change. Woo! Clean. So clean. Get this screw put on. I think it's in. Really click all the way down the line, but looks good. And just put it right back on because there's nothing else to install here. One of these doesn't look like the other. This is why you track the things that come out and where they go back, so you don't end up like putting things in weird places. I'm not sure. I don't think that goes there. But it's the only thing currently making sense. This one goes over here, apparently. Oh, no, that don't go there. Huh? Well, don't really go back in nicely, so I'm gonna have to figure something out for that.